Pronto, Vicente?
Todo pronto.
Okay. System idle. Well, let's change that. Okay. So this is actually the third flight. I did a couple flights earlier just to verify that everything was copacetic, everything was working. So let's... ¿Ves el helicóptero allí? ¿Ahí se ve? Okay. Make sure everything binds. Okay. Verify the gyros. ¿Lo ves allí? Okay. Vamos a hacer el tercer intento. Ya. Okay. Ah, ¿mudó? Está bien. ¿Ves el helicóptero allí? ¿Ves el helicóptero allí? ¿Allí? Ok. Ok, la cámara está bien allí. Sí, pero no quiero bajar demasiado. ¿Lo ves allí? Ok, porque más importante es cuando estamos volando que todavía se puede ver. Você me dice. ¿Se ve allí todavía? No te puedo ver, me tienes que decir. Let's execute a moving roll. That's not good form. Should never fly over yourself because lose orientation. Okay, let's go. Let's check this thing out close up. Do a video. Angry bird. Actually, I had some birds follow me around earlier when I first started flying it. I think it was just threatening their nest or something. Okay, let's do a first landing of this flight. Let's see. Let's do a backflip. Good. Bring it back down here a little bit so you can see it. Do a side flip. Yeah. Now a front flip. Yeah. Okay. Second landing of the flight. loop.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Loop in the other direction. Hopefully the sun's not too blinding and this thing is not too small and you can see it on the video. Let's do some obstacle course. Fly between the trees. There we go. God, I love flying this thing. This one's actually, I think, easier to fly than the previous 230S just because, I don't know, maybe because it looks prettier. But it also consumes more battery, interestingly. Maybe it's because, maybe it's actually heavier, but it consumes more battery than the previous 230S. So I think it was pretty aluminum head and aluminum swash plate moving there, huh? Isn't that cool? Yeah. Okay. We're circling for a criminal, looking for a criminal, like the cops do.
30 seconds.
Oh, 30 seconds. Okay, let's land this puppy. Alright. Oh, 10-9. Oops. Oh, not my best landing, guys, but you saw examples of my previous landing, so that's not representative. But yeah, less dust flying today too because it rained like cats and dogs last night.